how to stop Twitch from sending emails. So if you want to stop the emails, or if you want to stop getting notifications from Twitch, then first open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser, and search for Twitch. And go for the first search, which will be www.twitch.tv, and go for login, which will be on the upper right. Make sure to log into your account. And once you've logged into your account, now you need to go for profile, which will be on the upper right. Click on profile. And now you can go for settings. And under your settings, here you will have these options, right? So under your settings, you can go for notifications. And under notifications, here, if you have turned on your notifications, then you need to turn that off. So if you want to turn off the email notifications, then go for email, and here you can toggle that off. And once you turn that off, now you won't receive any notifications from Twitch on email. So that's it. That's how you stop Twitch from sending emails. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.